Hi guys, this is Neha. Uh, let's do something interesting today. What do you think? We all have old handbag at home, and what best time it can be to upskill one. So let's get started. I am doing this with a new bag, but you can always use your old handbag. So let's go. I do hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notifications. In the description box, I have mentioned the material that I've used, and also please comment if you want the link to those materials if you want to purchase online. And also if you want to purchase this bag, I am giving a link and you can go to the link and purchase it online. So that's for today. See you soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.